Hey guys, Luke Smith here, and I'm going to do an unboxing of the DSi XL today, which I got as a Christmas present. As with all this stuff I've got next to me, but I've got a few things that I would like to unbox today, which I'll be uploading throughout the next few days. So this is the DSi XL. This is the well, they say that's the actual size of the DS Lite screen, and that's a stylus. DSi XL, it comes with built-in software, brain training, arts edition, dictionary 6-in-1 built into the system. 96% larger screens than the DS Lite. And you got the DX and logo on there, and the same useless info on here. And on here we got this that includes DSi system, red wine, DSi XL large stylus and the normal stylus, the power supply, rechargeable battery pack, the quick start guide and operations manual. And this one doesn't take Game Boy Advance games, because the DSi and DSi XL has a SD card slot, which is fine. I mean, I don't normally play Game Boy Advance games anyway on it. So let's get this thing unboxed. And when we open it, we will find a few things to start us off with, like the standard information, like we got the Club Nintendo registration card, which I'll be registering it straight away. We have the customer services card. We have the flip note thingy. I've got no idea what that is, but I'll probably find out. And they're the two colours. You can have it in red wine and some other colour, forget what they called it. Beige, I think, I'm not sure. We also got the quick start guides and health and safety precautions book. There's loads of stuff this comes with. This is quick start guide. That was probably a manual for it. We also got a paper full of brain training, art edition, and the 6-in-1 dictionary. Let me just do that. And this huge operations manual. Well, big for a DSi, but this one's got loads of features. So let's just dig in. We got the power supply, which is grey, and that's the end of it. Now, I'm only going to be plugging in because I can't, because my other DS's have got a different charger, so I can't do it with the other DS. Right, as a DS charger, it's basically the same, but grey, and that's the little charging thing, so it's a lot different. I can't really think of what it is. I can't really think what size it is. Next up we have, whoa, the hell is this? Well, is it? This is a stylus. Well, that's fat. Well, that's your big stylus pen. It looks like you can put a little hook for it, so you can hook it around your neck or something. And this big thing, this will be your DSi. And yes, it will be. Well, it's huge. It's got your front facing camera, just there, and a little light, I think it's flash, I'm not quite sure just it's got a flash. It's got 3 lights up there, one for the on, one for the charging and one for the Wi-Fi. It's got nice. I mean, I'm probably going to get a case for this. Whoa, it's huge. It's got that matte feel on the bottom, it's shiny at the top, which it might smudge. But this camera, a minute. Oh yeah, fingerprint resistant. This one's actually embedded, so you can't get dust underneath it, which is sweet. Right, that's your headphone jacks. Volume control, so you got clicky buttons. That is your SD card slot. Actually, I'll probably get an SD card put in it. Now that actually comes out to put an SD card, 2 gig. This is actually your stylus, your proper stylus, which is longer than the normal ones. Also, we have up here, we got the cartridge slot, we got somewhere to put your lanyard, and your charging port. Also, we got your left and right shoulder buttons. Let's open it up. Oh wow. It's got 3 positions, that way, so you can read it like that, or that way, or that way. Oh look, I can see myself. Hello. Okay, it's got 2 speakers, and this is meant to be like better sound quality. It's got a 8-way dimensional pad. It's got the old power button. It's got your regular buttons, and it's got your start and select button. So let's power on and see what it does. Ooh. It's pretty sweet. DSi. Okay, enter your settings. English. Okay, where am I? UK is normally at the bottom up here. What is today's date? Today's date is 25th of that 2010. What's today's time? What is today's time anyway now? Hang on a minute. It is 12:29. So let's see. Oh, 24-hour clock. 12:29. Okay, username. Please enter your name. Okay, in case you didn't know, my name is L-U-G-E. I'm going to change this later. Personal message. I'll change my personal message anyway. Birth date 31st of the 5th. Select your favourite colour. Bloody hell, why settings? Blue, of course. Right, touchscreen, printer controls, okay. Next. Okay. Next. Okay, 4-digit. Please confirm. Yeah. It's just the restriction settings. I can show you this. Restrict this, restrict that, such stuff. Okay, save, yes. Thank you, settings saved. This is pretty sweet. With the DSi you can take photos. Okay, I'll do one now. Wow. Overall, I'm really impressed with the camera quality in this, and this is just the inside camera. So let's just see. Right, that's the sound. That's the shop. That's the DS download play. Cat, web browser, internet and demo, not internet, Nintendo, dictionary. Okay, arts edition. And the foreign version, you got that. Okay, we got system settings, but we want this DSi camera. So I'm going to show you a little bit of this, and I'm going to end this unboxing. Welcome to the DSi camera. I'll explain the basic functions. Okay, DSi camera, you can take photos, view them, and modify them. Alright, let's try and take a photo. It's alright, please touch camera. Right. Right, it's got lenses I can use. Try different lenses. Oh. Alright, now I'm going to switch to the main camera. Okay, this is the main camera, and overall the main camera is pretty good. It's out there. You can also take using the shoulder buttons or the A button. And that will save it to the album. I think this has got built-in memory, I think. I'm not quite sure what. That's pretty sweet. Okay, touch. Ooh. Complete. Alright, final one. Okay, move to an SD card, which I haven't got an SD card in at the minute. So there, I will be doing, let's see what, I'll be doing a review on here soon. And right, let me just show you the screen, it's got half battery life. Yeah, I'll be doing a review soon. You need to close it. And we open it. I like how it got music as it's going. Damn, it is the sound all the way up. The sound can be turned all the way up. So I'm going to set it up the way I want to. And get the internet on it. Everything. Have a play around with it. And I will see you next time. See you guys.